Hey guys, Eric from LanePlant Natural Farm. I want to thank everybody for your prayers and support. Hurricane Milton unfortunately did a lot of damage to our farm. We're a community farm-to-table farm, all natural, non-GMO, no chemicals, no pesticides. Plus, we're an animal rescue farm. Plus, we do free training. We do so many different things. We never charge for our events, our training. We've trained people up that went around the world to learn how to grow food. We house interns for free. We do a lot of different things, and unfortunately, Hurricane Milton took a toll. We lost our main greenhouse and training facility. It wasn't just a greenhouse where you grow things. Actually, it was our market and training facility where we've trained thousands of people. We were established about 10 years ago. We took a cow field and by the grace of God turned it into a land of delight. Beautiful. We have 1,000 fruit trees. Like I said, we teach self-sustainability, and now we need to rebuild. We need to actually rise and build. And we're going to be putting a state-of-the-art greenhouse here and market and training facility. What we really want is we want to pour a concrete deck, get it higher so it won't be taken out again. Then we want to actually make it climate control, because in the summer it's very, very hot here. We'd love to have a training facility to train people and actually go live around the world from. So this area here, of course, was rubble. I mean, the bows were bent. It's like a tornado came through, and we had to have dump trucks come in here to take all of this stuff out. Then plus, of course, our chicken coops. One of our chicken coops ended up in the neighbor's field, killed 46 of our chickens. And so we're rebuilding, but we're not just rebuilding. We want to rebuild better. So with your help, with your support, we could do that. And we're believing by having enough funds coming in to at least build the foundation, and even more, who knows what the Lord can do. Maybe the Lord's speaking to you about sowing. We'd ask that you'd sow generously. We are a 501c3. We do have a nonprofit, so you could get a tax write-off. But if you believe in self-sustainability, you believe in pouring into the future generations, you believe in housing interns, you believe in training people what healthy food is. If you believe in local community businesses, if you believe in a local farm to table that helps everybody, then I'm going to ask you to sow generously, especially if you've been out to Land of Light. You guys know what we do. We put a lot of time and effort into this, and we want to make it better, and we want to help people around the world be self-sustainable, grow their own food. Plus, with our animal rescue, wow, we've rescued so many different animals. Our latest is a police horse, a retired police horse. And then also we have a huge tortoise that was a rescue. And of course, we have llamas and goats and baby bottle cows. Sometimes a vet bill's $3,000, and people don't even understand how much it costs to do stuff like this. But then you make it free to the public, and you want to be a blessing to people, and then some crazy, terrible hurricane, I call it the M hurricane, the M word, Milton. I don't like that word, but if you can help us build back better, that would be great. Many people, you've been blessed, you have finances, you can sow into this and help a lot of other people. So once again, all the links are going to be there, and you saw some of the pictures as I was talking. Help a local family that's been reaching a community for 10 years and actually reached over 10,000 people have been out into a dead-end road in Plant City to come and just visit and learn from us of what we do here. Help us build back better and build a beautiful greenhouse market, state-of-the-art training facility, and all the other trees we lost and all the other things. Help us build back better. We really appreciate your prayers and support. Please give generously. Thank you.